All right, number 1 says, Barry's family donated 11 cases of tomato soup to the local food kitchen. Barry's family is very nice. Each case has 12 cans of soup. The shelter already has 16 cans of tomato soup. How many cans of tomato soup does the food kitchen have now? You are doing this right now on your own, and then we will discuss. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not want to see blank papers. I will be collecting if I need to. You are working, not just sitting. There will be problems that we skip around. This is not one of them. There are multiple steps in this equation. I will tell you that you have 2 steps to make. So if you only have one math problem written down, you did it incorrectly. There are 2 equations that you have here to get your final answer. I'll give you a minute. Somebody's got an AirPod right there. Tell me the first part of your equation that you had to do. Kara.
11 times 12.
Very nice. 11 times 12 because there were 11 cases, 12 in each one, to get a total of
132.
132. But is that all that the shelter has? They already had, Brooklyn, how many?
Wait, 16.
So we need to add 16 to that to get a total of 148 cans. Have that label. Let's fix that glare here. Switch my lights for me. All right, turn both on. Let's see. No, it's better. Okay. Part B. The food kitchen uses 20 cans of tomato soup each week. How many weeks will go before the food kitchen needs more tomato soup? In 1 week, they use 20 cans. How long can they go then? Number 2, part B. This was number 2, part A. Number 1. I can't number correctly. Your work needs to be in your packet. be how many?
Oh,
Would be at 40 cans. Week 3 would be at how many?
60.
Week 4 would be at?
80.
Week 5 would be at?
100.
Week 6 would be at?
120.
Week 7 would be at?
140.
Can we get to another week?
No.
No, because the next one would be 160. Do we have 160? No, we would have, somebody said, a remainder of 8 here, but is 8 enough cans to get me through the next week? No, so we are only going to last 7 weeks. 7 weeks with that amount of tomato soup. Good job. Number 2. Number 2. There is 45 pepperoni pizza left over. I'm assuming slices, not a whole one, right? And 34 of Hawaiian pizza left over. It's gotta be slices.
Yeah.
Sydney says that there are 112 total pizzas. Oh no, she says pizzas. Maybe it's gotta be a party then, right? There are 112 total pizzas left over. Do you agree? Explain why or why not. So do you agree with Sydney's answer that there's 112 total pizzas then left? Tell me why or why not. PQA, complete sentence. Yes, please stop.
So it's gonna last longer.
Number 2, let's check it. So how many pizzas, what is my equation here for number 2? Alyssa,
Addition,
and what'd you add? 45 plus 34 to get a total of
79.
79 pizzas. But Sydney told me that there were 112 pizzas left over. Was she correct?
No.
No, so we need to explain in PQA. No, Sydney was not correct that there were 112 total pizzas left. When you add 45 plus 34, you would get a total of 79 leftover pizzas. All right. Turn to the next page. Look at number 4. We're skipping number 3. Go to number 4. Remember I told you guys there was going to be extra that we skip over so that you, if you want to on your own, you can practice. I'm not going to make you do the ones that we skip. It's just if you want to, but you have to do the ones we're doing. All right, number 4 has an A and B. There is a recipe for Aunt Barb's salad dressing. And then you have 2 questions regarding that dressing. Go ahead and answer A and B there, please. Aunt Barb's recipe for salad dressing is where you should be at. Number 4. so number 4, part A, I think you should know that they tell you in parentheses that the herbs and the salt, they're not changing the amount of the dressing at all. Because the salt grains that they use, they're so micro little. It's not actually adding then like quantity to that dressing. But we have 13 cups of olive oil and 16 cups of balsamic vinegar, and both of those are going to have quantity. They are liquids. Okay, so at 13 and 16, what should I do with those? Yeah, 13 plus 16 to give me a total of 29 cups. Okay, so I will have a total of 29 cups of this salad dressing. That's part A. Part B, they want to know if that is 6 servings. So if 29 cups is 6 servings, meaning that's going to serve 6 people, how much dressing then would there be in 1 serving? Meaning how much dressing would 1 person? That's what that means when they say serving. Okay, so 6 servings means that that's enough dressing for 6 people. If they say a box of crackers is 15 servings, that box of crackers can serve 15 people. Okay, does that make sense? So they want to know then how much, if there's 6 servings, this is enough for 6 people, how much would each person get? 1 serving. What would be your equation there? On part B. What would be your equation? Mimi?
My hand wasn't raised.
Okay.
6. I don't know.
Anybody? Malia?
6 divided by 29.
You're so close.
29 divided by 6.
There's 29 cups total. We want to divide that amongst 6 servings, 6 people, to see how much each person would get. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to have you divide that out right now because we're going to try and go ahead and keep going through this. But what I do want to point out to you is this answer is an answer that can go on and on and on here. When you divide this out, you are going to get 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and it's going to keep going with the 3s here. At this point then, if they're asking you for how much a serving, I would probably round this number to 4.8. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's keep going on. Turn to your packet to number 5. Ooh, I like number 5.
Yeah, I don't have lemonade.
It's a thinker. You're going to have to think here, guys.
Oh, no.
We can do it. Number 5 says a lemonade recipe serves 6 people and requires 2 2/3 cup sugar. How much sugar will you need if you make the recipe to serve 9 people?
Okay.
Try it on your own now.
Oh my God.
It's harder, but use some thinking, guys. You can do it. This is probably going to be our last one for today. guys, let's talk about it. All right, so we know that for 6 people, we need 2 2/3 cups of sugar. But they want to know for 9 people. How many more do I need? I have 6. How many more do I need to get to 9? So I need 3 more. What is my relationship between 3 and 6?
They equal 9.
Raina?
3 goes into 6 2 times. Oh, but they equal 9.
Well, yeah, when you add 3 and 6, it equals 9. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so is 3 half of 6?
Yes.
So if I only need 3 more, I need half of 6. Don't I only need half of this amount then?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I need to find what is half of 2 2/3.
1 1.
So 2 2/3 divided by 2. Because I want half of it. So I'm going to split in half, divided by 2. Well, when I divide fractions, do I actually divide?
No.
I'm going to multiply. And to multiply, I see this is a whole number. Do I leave that a whole number?
No.
I put it over 1. And I know I need to flip that reciprocal. It's always my second fraction. So when I flip that, it actually becomes
1 half.
1 over 2. And can I multiply this mixed number?
No.
I need to make it improper. So 3 times 2 is
6.
plus 2.
8. 8.
Now can I multiply across?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I need to simplify. 8 divided by 6 is 1, with 2 left over. My denominator stays the same. However, can I still simplify?
Yes.
Yes, 2 6 I can simplify to 1 1/3. Is my answer 1 1/3? Am I done? No, because I needed for 9 people. So this is for 3 people. This is for 6 people. What should I do with those 2 numbers?
Add.
Add them. So 2 2/3 plus 1 1/3.
2 plus 1.
You can do whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. My denominators are already the same, so can I just add my numerators?
Yes.
Yes.
3 over 3 is actually the same as 1. So 3 plus 1 is?
4.
You need 4 cups of sugar for 9 people.
I was close.
Did anybody get that?
No. I was close.
Max, you got that?
I did it a different way.
Okay. Very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to stop there. Do not lose your packet. We're going to use this same packet again tomorrow. We have lots of problems left in this one. Your homework is not finishing this packet. Your homework is Schoology. I Learn Review, Max, number 2. Number 2.